Hey everybody, how's it going? So this week I made a bandsaw box for the Portal Woodworking Bandsaw Box Challenge put on by David. I'll have a link to his channel down below where you can go check it out. Also, my daughter doesn't really have a piggy bank, and lately she's been getting money and she has nowhere to put it. So I didn't really want to make a traditional piggy bank. So this week we're going to make a cow. I'm calling it a cash cow. If you want to see how it's done, stick around. So I actually painted over the spray paint with just latex paint because the spray paint wasn't covering very well. But I got this heater on it. If you're like me, you like your beef about a medium well, so we're gonna let this go for a little while, then we'll paint the black spots and hurry up and finish this up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry this video was a little bit rushed. I ran out of time with the holidays and everything and just stuff I have going on. But I wanted to make a video for this challenge, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's not the, I mean, it's pretty nice. I wish I would have had a little bit more time to work on it, but it opens and you can get your money out, the slots on the top. I'm probably actually going to put later a screw in the bottom, so this is not the easiest thing to open, so she can't take her money out all the time. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Also, click that thumbs up button. It helps me out, and share it so that everyone else gets to see this video as well. But till next time, y'all have a good one.